Well, the new ride-sharing app Hover is actually increasing pay for drivers and essentially stealing Uber and Lyft drivers out of thin air because drivers are flocking over to their app. So we have a lot to cover today. First, before I get in, I just created a new email list. It's completely free. You can join. It's a newsletter that I will be sending out on new ways to make money, ways to increase your income, and just new earnings opportunities. So if you want to keep in touch with me, join my free email list linked below. And that way you will never lose access to me. And again, I will be sending out exclusive earning opportunities and just ways for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, rideshare delivery drivers, anybody looking to make extra money. Just enter your email below. It's free and I'll send out emails to you. Okay, Hover announces a new on-demand rideshare service designed to address the #1 issue in the industry today: driver dissatisfaction and need for higher pay. Hover announces its new on-demand rideshare service now available in Toronto, Ontario, and the Greater Toronto area. This just launched a couple weeks ago, I think 2 weeks ago now. So any drivers who have not gotten access to it, go to their site and you can see if they have their wait list for your area or if they've expanded by the time you're watching this video. The startup's innovative business model focuses on the #1 problem, the #1 problem in the rideshare industry today, which is driver dissatisfaction and the need for higher pay, and is dedicated to providing a more equitable rideshare service where drivers earn 100% of the fare and participate in a monthly subscription-based program to access Hover's proprietary app platform. So, what do you guys think about this? They're charging $20 a month for drivers, and drivers get to keep, though, 100% of the fare. And then the way that they make money is obviously on the subscription model from drivers. So I initially thought that this was, a little scammy, but at the same time, if you're keeping 100% of the fares and Uber and Lyft take 30-40% every ride, that's like what? On a $50 ride times 0.6, you just paid $30 a month. $30 on to Uber if it was a $50 ride, if they're taking 40%. Or if it's a 70% ride, you're already paying $35. So it's like, yeah, on one $50 ride on Uber, you're already giving them over $30. So it's like, yeah, $20 a month kind of seems low, kind of seems enticing now that I think about it. So would you join this new rideshare app called Hover? Let me know. They're kind of starting to take over in the Canada area right now. They really don't need to do any marketing because drivers hear about it and then they willingly sign up, which I think is a really interesting approach because if they're saving, keep in mind, Uber has to spend so much money to advertise to get new drivers because drivers quit all the time after they realize how low the pay is. So if it's like, if this company can just save all that advertising dollars and just give it to the drivers, I don't know, seems like a good business model there. So let me know your thoughts with this, if you would join. And join the free email list that I have linked below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon. Bye now.